Good afternoon. This is Sarah with IndiHome. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to make a complaint regarding my internet service.
I'm really sorry to hear that. What has been the problem?
My internet connection hasn't property. It's been repeatedly dropping out. Once it's connected, the speeds are really slow.
Please allow me to check to see if there are any issue with the network in your area. May I know your client ID?
Yes, it's 8976142.
Thank you. Our system shows that there a network issue in your area and we have been closely fixing it. The approximate recovery time would be 12 to 24 hours.
Are you kidding me? Why does it take that long?
I'm sorry, I understand how frustrating that would be. The issue appears to be a big one, so it needs a longer time to fix it.
Why do I do then?
I'm afraid the best you called to it to white while trying our the best to make it back to normal. Call notify via email once the issue is resolved.
Alright then.
If there everything else I can help you with,
No, thank you.
my apologies once again for the inconvenience. Thank you for your call.